Welcome. In front of me is a HOTWAV Pad 8, and today I will show you how we can import contacts from a SIM card to the device. So, to get started, all you need to do is open up your contacts application. Make sure you open up the standalone version of it. You can access contacts through things like dialer, but this won't give us the option that we need. So, this is what we're looking for, the contacts application. We don't need to be signed in. It defaults to the device right here because I don't have any contacts on this device, but for instance, if you are already signed into your Google account, it would most likely show you contacts that are on your Google account. And you could tap on this icon to switch where it's getting these contacts from. We have device, SIM card, and probably Google account. Now to import them, we're going to navigate to Fix and Manage and then Import from SIM. This will display all the contacts that are on the SIM card. By default, they should all be selected. Now, you might encounter that some of these contacts are deselected and grayed out. Don't worry, that's completely normal. These contacts already exist on your device and it's just simply trying to prevent you from importing it twice and creating duplicate contacts. So from here, deselect contacts that you might not want. Additional option which you will have most likely, which I don't, will be right under the import contacts. You will have a drop-down menu and it might probably default into your Google account, assuming you have one signed in. So you can tap on it and this will reveal additional option like importing it to the device. I don't have a Google account on here, so it automatically defaults to the only option that is available right now, which is the device. That's why there is no option right here. Anyway, from here we're going to select import. This will import all selected contacts, and when we go back to our contacts list right over here, you can see that we have now visible contacts in our list. So there we go. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.